Which way am I coming from? Which way? Don't do it, Titan. No, you ruined me. No. Okay. So I was going to do a better job erasing the board, but Titan decided to chew on the rag. And that's not nice. It's not nice, buddy. Okay. DE01, density. Now, clearly you go over density for years and years and years in science class, but when we talk about density from a geometric standpoint, at least from an application standpoint, we want to talk about population density, okay? So, you know that D equals M over V, density equals mass over volume. Now, for population density purposes, we are going to do some substitution. So instead of mass, we are going to talk about the mass of people, or the number of people in a certain area. Okay. Now, from a volume standpoint, so volume, because it's three-dimensional, we're not going to go so far yet to say how many people live in a three-dimensional area, because that doesn't always work, right? Now, tying this into kind of a robotic standpoint, right? Yes, more people live in a city or an area when there are buildings, right? Really tall apartment buildings or just buildings in general, because you can go three-dimensional. They can live up, which makes the density certainly higher. When it comes to states in the country, New Jersey, representing, it's the most densely populated state in the country because of those reasons, right? Because it's got extremely large cities, and it's got a small land mass area with regards to how many people live in it, okay? So we're going to talk about the volume, but we're going to talk about the total area instead. So total area of a state, a county, a region, a city, a block, right? So anything that would be representative of how can I find out how many people live per mile or per kilometer or whatever you're looking for. Now, we're going to do a lot of this in class, but one thing that I would like for you to do is I want you to be familiar with maybe Gwinnett County. So take a look and see which county in Georgia is the most densely populated. Is it Gwinnett County? Is it Fulton County? Right? Because if the capital of the state is Atlanta in Fulton County, right? So we're going to have to figure that out and see, well, which county has a large amount of people in it, okay? Or a more densely populated area, okay? So when we talk about population density, we want to do the number of people over or divided by the total area. Please stop chewing that. We don't like to chew electrical things in outlets, because we don't want to see an electrocuted doggy, okay? Anyway, see you later.